Experiencing a black screen or no audio in your Peugeot's infotainment system? These problems often stem from software glitches, corrupted firmware, or hardware malfunctions. For black screens, a common cause is outdated software or electrical faults preventing the display module from initializing. No audio issues can result from blown fuses, damaged speakers, software conflicts, or connectivity problems. Before assuming a major hardware issue, try a hard reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds while the car is off, then restart. Check speaker connections and run the system's diagnostic mode via the settings menu. Regularly updating your system and maintaining stable power by checking battery health are crucial preventive measures. Remember, according to a 2025 Stellantis survey, 35% of infotainment issues are black screen related and 25% are no audio complaints, highlighting the prevalence of these problems. Always back up your data before doing any system resets. Resetting and updating your Peugeot infotainment system can resolve many common issues. Resets clear temporary data, while updates patch bugs and improve performance. Peugeot recommends USB-based updates for offline fixes using software available on their website. For models 2023 and newer, over-the-air updates are available. To update via OTA, connect to Wi-Fi, navigate to System Updates in the infotainment menu, and follow the prompts. Remember to back up your data first to avoid losing playlists or settings. Regular updates are vital. Peugeot aims for monthly patches to preempt issues. A case study from the Peugeot Owners Club in 2023 detailed a black screen epidemic in 2022 to 2024 Peugeot 3008 models due to a firmware bug, which was resolved via a factory reset followed by an OTA update. User-driven solutions and proactive updates are often faster than waiting for official channels.